Hi everyone, merhaba. Welcome back to Turkish Food and Travel. I'm Ayşenur Altan. In this episode, I will show you an easy way to make börek with puff pastry. Börek is one of the popular dishes in Turkish cuisine. You can eat at breakfast, lunch, or as a snack at any time of the day. At the end of the episode, I will also quickly show you how you can make this delicious rolled börek with hand-rolled sheets or ready filo sheets. So let's begin. To make the delicious börek, we have only two main ingredients, puff pastry and white cheese. This time I wanted to show you how it looks like in container. The Turkish style white cheese, it is similar to, I can say, feta. You can experiment with other cheeses if you cannot find. I'm also gonna add some chopped parsley, which I have frozen. It is very handy to keep it freezed. You can get it whenever you want. It is optional. If you don't like, you don't have to add it. Just going to crumble everything and mix them well. If you like, you can also mix the white cheese with some mozzarella or different type of cheeses to give a oozing texture. I'm gonna shape my börek into round non-stick pan. Make sure to line it with some baking paper if the tray is not non-stick. I take out my puff pastries about 10 to 15 minutes before I'm gonna use to thaw it a little bit, and now I'm going to roll it thinly, sprinkling some flour on countertop to make a long rectangular. And then I cut it into two pieces again to make it like a long strip. And going to place from the white cheese filling in the middle. Now fold the puff pastry and seal it as you can see. Doing the same thing again with the other piece. And this is how we're gonna place to the pan. Beginning from the center of the pan, just swirl it and then make it round. And I'm gonna continue to fill it like this. Here is the second piece of a puff pastry I have. After I shape it a couple of times, I realized that it doesn't have to be wider. So in the next one, I will roll out my dough only to make it longer. You will understand in a minute. It's really easy way to enjoy börek. In Turkey, we don't have much puff pastry using butter. I know that in European countries and America, they have it. Just write down if you do. It would be even more delicious with buttered puff pastries. And this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, the rectangular is longer right now, this time, but not wide as much the others. And you just have to seal it to close, and there is not much dough overlapping each other this way. So I filled my pan, and I'm gonna egg wash it with some egg yolk, 1 egg yolk, and about a tablespoon of milk. My oven is preheated to 200 Celsius degree and I will bake it until it is golden color on top and bottom about 40 minutes. Okay, my börek is ready. It's very flaky since we made it from milföy and with only 3 ingredients in no time, as you can see. So I want to try it. But first let me transfer it to here. Yes. I've got my new knife, by the way. It's specially designed for börek. By the way, these muffins are from my daughter. We have banana and walnut muffin, and with the börek and Turkish tea, perfect afternoon treat. So let me try. It looks very, very beautiful. I can see the layers, of course, and it's very easy. It is both crunchy, flaky, and soft at the same time. But I think with the shape, it looks just like börek. So give it a try. It's very easy to make. If you want to make it from scratch, I have many other börek recipes. For example, this one has a rich dough and rolled with a thin rolling pin we call oklava. After a bit of experience, it's not very hard to roll out the dough. The filling is the same, but of course, since it is handmade and with the butter, it's very crunchy and delicious. And also the ones made with Turkish style yufka sheets or filo sheets you can make. In this version, you dampen the yufka sheets with oil, eggs and milk mixture. In this one, I used spinach filling. And after placing it to the pan in similar ways, you bake it until golden color. So check the links down below for the recipes. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye. Let me also get from this. I think you might be curious about how it looks inside, so let me show you. It's so beautiful, delicious. 2 thumbs for my daughter.